This Truesafe gas release panel, model number is TSGR 21 and TSGR 21 plus. Two models we have in this series. Two zones. This is two zone panel. Zone number 1, zone number 2. Then this panel has two RAC output. RAC means releasing agent circuit. We have two options, main and standby. So currently we have connected the load in main solenoid output, means RAC 1. Then there is a provision for sounder 1, sounder 2 and sounder 3, means NAC 1, NAC 2, NAC 3. NAC means notification appliance circuit. So this is our front look of the panel. First key is for enable, disable and evacuation. So we can do like this. Same key we can use for auto, manual and maintenance mode. So currently this is in auto and it is in enable mode. So now I will show you the configuration. In configuration you can see all the config options. So now we need to select configuration timers, timer settings. So in this RAC off time, so in this if we enter, then we have an option of maximum up to 255 seconds. So now I have set the 255 seconds for RAC off time. So now we will simulate the alarm condition by using this resistor at 20 ohm. Current setup is for checking the current of solenoid solenoid output. We have connected multimeter in series with this load. We have used one load resistor and one sounder. Approximately 1.2 ampere current will drawn from this. So now this system is in cross zoning. Zone 1 and zone 2 is in cross zone concept. So we have connected RAC1 output through multimeter to this sounder and load. So now I will simulate the situation and we will wait till 255 seconds, which we have maximum solenoid on time settings. Right. So I will show you on this stopwatch on this mobile, and you will see this timing also. So here you will get the required current, and that will be the same for entire 255 seconds. So I will simulate the situation through resistor. Zone 1 is in alarm. So now solenoid output is not there because system is in cross zoning settings. So now only one zone is in alarm. Now